This is a Craftsman 8-inch tilting arbor saw with a Craftsman motor. Model number 103.24242. Would have been made by King Sealy. I don't know the year. It is painted this champagne color. I've cleaned it a little bit, just kind of knocked some of the surface rust and the sawdust. It does run. Bearings are a little growly in the motor. They need to be greased. The motor cable's not all that great. I don't think the belt's correct. It's a 38-inch belt. It's supposed to be 40-inch. It does have the Craftsman mount. The table that it sits on is obviously homemade, but that would have been from the time that it was built. So, pretty interesting little saw. The tilt works, as does the blade raise and lower. It needs to be cleaned, but there you go.